welcome back. I'm Faraz, and in today's video we will be doing something different than doing an Excel video, where we'll be seeing an unboxing video for an Apple Nike Edition Series 7. So let's go and do it together. So I just brought this Nike Apple Watch, and as usual, Apple has been doing great with their packing, but this time I found it there in their packing that they didn't have the plastic, so they have removed out all that plastic, and this is just simply cool. And once I open the box, the first impression with the Nike is always designed by Apple California and that Nike branding which is there. And you get some paperwork with this, and this is a charger, and this is a new kind of a charger. I find it a bit lighter, but there is no adapter with that, and I'm trying to remove this, but it was pretty hard to pull it out. And yeah, the first impression doesn't look, for me it looks exactly the same for Series 6 or Series 5 if you're owning it. And this is a Nike band which is there. This is a special one which you get it, and the face watch. So I'm just quickly going to connect it to my iPhone, and I'm just going to power it up. And the only difference what you can see is the speaker with the Series 7. Otherwise it looks exactly like Series 6 or Series 5. So once you power it up, just take it closer to your phone and you get this pop-up, and you can just select it for myself, and you can just quickly scan that. And after scanning it, you have to make sure that if it's a new watch, then you select setup for a new one or restore it from the backup. Now select the latest backup what you have from your watch, and then click continue, and make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And then once you click continue, and it's going to start pairing up and doing the backup. And as you can see, the orientation of my watch, how it was, it has turned it out. Just need to click on I agree, and I'll quickly just change the orientation of the band. Okay, and it's easy to slide it. Just make sure that you just get a sound when you just slide it up, and let's wear and see how it looks. Exactly the same. I didn't find any difference. It's asking for the workout routine. You can say okay and just share the settings, and this is pretty nice. You can just set how bold and what is the size you needed on your watch, and this is, you turn it on bold just on this accessibility setting. And it's time for the passcode. Okay, so I've set up my passcode, and this is feature blood oxygen, which is available on Series 7. You can enable, and you can keep it up to date manually. And with the Nike you get this club, so you can just click continue, and it says feature always display on, and grid view or a list view, and you can come back anytime and change the setting. So now the watch data is getting synced with the new watch, and meanwhile you can just explore what are some of the new features, and meanwhile the watch will start syncing. Okay, so our watch is ready now, and I would say okay. And the first thing I'd like to go and see this new contour, which is really famous. I really like that, and you have some different settings. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. And you can see that notification, that's a small dot. It's pretty neat, and I just love that. If somebody wants to notice it, then you need to keep this contour which is there, the face, so that person can easily identify it. And you can set up your own watch faces as per your need. And my favorite one is always modular, which has a lot of complications. I can add it, and once I add it, you can see how neatly it has added my calendar and it has synced it. Now this charger, when I brought it, when I saw first time the charger, it was very light, and you can see this is for USB-C. So I need to connect it to my laptop, MacBook, and here it goes. And Apple claimed that it can charge 33% faster than Series 6. So I haven't experimented yet, but soon I'm going to do that. And let's quickly see that oxygen app, and I just found that. Just make sure that it's tightly on your wrist, and then click OK, and done. And cool, you need to wait for 15 seconds to get that information. Wow, that's 100% oxygen. Okay, coming to this comparison, if you see, this comparison is almost the same, only the chip name is changed. And the thing what I have observed is change is the dust proof, and it's more crack resistance and 50% faster, and it has just fast charging. So that was a quick unboxing video of my Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition. I hope, my friends, you have liked this video. Make sure that you hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.